Today we will be talking about the role of police in election. So everybody knows that election in this democracy is very important. And first is role of election commission in democracy. First of all, what you would like to do is first we need to understand the election commission's role in democracy. If you start going through the first slide of mine, the election commission plays the role in superintendence, direction and control of elections and conduct of elections in various bodies. Various bodies includes local Nagar Nigam elections or assembly elections or even Lok Sabha elections also. The second, the election commission also advises the president or the governor of state for disqualification of any members like MLA or MPs. So they like to disqualify if they give some reports against them. The third is regarding to pass any order in respect of the conduct of elections where there is no law or rule made under the law. So these part I don't cover it actually. So I will take care of only this role of police during the elections, especially what is the role of police. So everybody knows to maintain the law and order is the main basic function of the police and rule of law. So what do you mean by the law and order? So whenever we encounter the police in the road or in the field, they feel that many people try to get 1 minute. Many people trying to encounter any major problems like crime and as well as any stone pelting or any communal clashes. Such kind of incidences are considered to be law and order issue. Now recently we encountered this farmer agitation in Delhi or in the border areas and any other issues. During this time, the election commission expects us to maintain the proper law and order, that without any law and order issues, to conduct free and fair elections and the rule of law, that law should come up. The second important criteria is to have a conducive environment for electoral integrity by creating an atmosphere free of fear, intimidation and manipulation. What is this electoral integrity? That I'll try to explain in the next slide. Though such kind of atmosphere is required for the election commission because this will be only maintained by the police. No other agency is there to maintain this rule of law.